When a narcissist begins to impact your physical health, it is essential to recognize that it's time to leave the relationship behind. If their behavior causes such significant stress that you start experiencing physical symptoms like stomach aches, headaches, insomnia, or the flare-up of inflammatory conditions, it is a clear sign that the situation has escalated beyond repair. Narcissists have a remarkable ability to harm you both emotionally and physically, continually pushing your limits while remaining completely indifferent to the damage they cause due to their fundamental lack of empathy. It becomes your responsibility to take action and remove yourself from the relationship as soon as your physical health starts to suffer. Being involved with a narcissist nearly always results in a range of mental health issues, including anxiety and depression. Their behavior, characterized by devaluation, gaslighting, emotional torment, and various forms of abuse, creates a hostile environment that deeply affects your mental state. When you find yourself facing troubling physical symptoms, such as hair loss or muscle tension, it's a stark indication that you need to take decisive steps for your well-being. At this point, it is irrelevant to argue about who is at fault or whether you are the narcissist or they are. The only thing that truly matters is your own health and safety, which means you must extricate yourself from the relationship as swiftly as possible. Narcissists, by nature, do not care about your emotional or physical well-being. Trying to have another conversation or argument in the hopes of changing their behavior will not work. The only viable solution is to distance yourself from them as much as possible. This means implementing no contact or, if necessary, maintaining minimal contact, especially if you share responsibilities such as co-parenting. It's important to realize that the initial phase of the relationship, marked by idealization and flattery, was a deceptive act. The reality of the situation now is far from the temporary illusion of affection you experienced at the beginning, and things will only get worse from here. Staying in a relationship with a narcissist can lead to severe, lasting damage to your health. You risk facing stress-induced conditions like cancer or suffering from prolonged sleep deprivation that could result in serious accidents. The dangers of remaining in such a toxic environment are numerous and serious. If the relationship has reached the point of physical abuse, it is not just a matter of emotional distress. It is a potential threat to your life. According to experts in domestic violence, once physical abuse becomes part of the dynamic, there is no possibility for reconciliation or improvement. The abuser's behavior will only escalate over time, making it critical for your survival to end the relationship and go no contact.